Is migrating from SafeMoon version 1 over to SafeMoon version 2 a taxable based event? We have some new information that's presented here that I think actually answers that. So before we do get into it, I want to say a quick special shout out thank you to our Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to Rem AG, Xavier Zamora, and Victor for being higher tier patrons. Welcome also Charles Goguin and Scrubby, our newest patrons. You can join and be on the board for as little as $1 a month. Just FYI, I do YouTube full time, so I really do appreciate all of your guys' support. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you to go do your own research. And with something like this especially, it's highly recommended you go consult with the CPA anyways. I'm reading this off the internet. They said that they consulted with other individuals. Somebody else had said that they're a CPA technically. But still, just to play it extra safe, you can go and ask someone. So this was shared by Safe Beto, or Beto, I'm sure it's probably Beto, over on Twitter. The exchange of SafeMoon tokens from version 1 to version 2 should not constitute a taxable event since you are not swapping for a different asset. In this case, the related IRS guidance would be equivalent to a reverse stock split. There is no guidance in place for crypto transactions at this time. Token swap taxation. Although there is no direct tax code governing token swaps, it is reasonable to think that guidance related to stock splits apply to token swaps. According to the IRS, a stock split occurs when a company creates additional shares, thus reducing the price per share. If you own stock that is split and now own additional shares, you must adjust your basis per share or per the lot of the stock you own. If the old shares of stock and the new shares are uniform and identical, then allocate the basis of the old shares to the old and new shares. Determine the per share basis by dividing the adjusted basis of the old stock by the number of shares of old and new stock. Thus, stock splits are not taxable events. However, they do affect cost basis for a shareholder. Applying this logic to token swaps, new coins resulting from token swaps do not create a taxable event. However, it is crucial that you allocate the basis among the new coins and start tracking them properly. Figuring out the cost basis and distributing them among the new coins can be tricky after you go through a coin swap. And then just further elaborated here, we have Steve Youngblood, who responded to this, and he said, I am a CPA and I can confirm this. And then Beto responded to them saying, thank you, Steve. I did verify this information with 2 CPAs before I made it public. Glad to get your expert advice as well. There is no tax code in place for consolidations in crypto. Therefore, most CPAs will use securities as guidance, not financial advice and not legal advice. I was like, wait, what's NLA? I was able to figure that out on the spot. So somebody else said, okay, so the real question is, does this restart the short/long-term capital gains clock? And Beto had responded saying, it does not affect your holdings period for short-long capital gains. Assuming you bought all tokens at the same time, holding period remains the same. If you have added to your dollar cost average, then each transaction start date is treated differently, but that would not be in relation to the consolidation. So, and somebody else had said, the nice thing about this is that there's no guidance, so you can use it in your advantage whichever way you see fit, depending upon your tax situation. So that's their remark on that, not mine. All right, guys. So I think that's very interesting, and I personally find that to be very helpful. I'm making note of this regardless, so that when I go to file my taxes and I talk to my CPA, which I'll officially have a CPA this time, then I'll see what they think on it. And that will help influence the next decisions for everything. Because obviously not everybody deals with crypto right now, and a lot of CPAs are just not familiarized with it. So I think this is a good reference point. You guys can refer back to this video. Again, special shout out. Thank you to @SafeBeto over on Twitter for posting this and answering the community's questions. Let us know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. And also, I do have referral links in the description. So if you want to get free cryptocurrency or free stock, They are there for you. The promotion with Webull as a sign-up bonus right now is very, very good. It's for a limited time. If you haven't had a chance to go take a look at that one, it's definitely a good one to look at. They're all great, but Webull has a very, very good one right now. Also, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe. Hit the thumbs up like button. It does help us out with the YouTube search algorithm. Click the bell icon so you know whenever we go live. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you in the next episode.